Good morning. I'm meteorologist Eddie Holmes with your severe weather briefing from West Tennessee Weather Online. This is issued at 6:15 a.m. Central Daylight Time, April 24th. And be aware of the fact that information provided on this weather briefing is time sensitive because of radar information and the like. We'll be updating this as often as we can. The overview for today, of course, you probably already know. We're expecting a significant severe weather outbreak across the region today. There's the possibility of widespread damaging winds along with large hail, and the potential does exist for some long-lived supercells and violent tornadoes. On the weather map, the setup is we've got a major dynamic system in the middle part of the country, and it's reflected by these low pressure systems on the surface in Kansas. There's a secondary low pressure system located over the Arklatex that you can see here, and this is going to be the culprit in our weather. You'll notice a cold front extends from Iowa to that low in the Arklatex down to Houston, Texas. To the east of this cold front, we're in what's called the warm sector. This is where the humidity is building and much instability and warmer air is located. And so we've got the combination of the fuel over us, an intensifying low pressure system, and the parent system back over the plains that will combine to give us the threat of severe weather and tornadoes. Notice that low pressure system moves into northeast Arkansas by midday today. And again, as it is intensifying, we will be noticing winds increasing in general, but also the risk of severe weather and especially tornadoes will be going up as well. The low pressure itself provides additional impetus for turning in the atmosphere as air is lifted, and so again that becomes conducive for the formation of tornadoes. By this evening, that low moves into Illinois, and you can see the cold front has now moved into Middle Tennessee, so that puts us out of the risk. We will see that weather will start to improve, but it looks like up until that time, say mid-afternoon, we're going to have the possibility for severe weather. Now, we've got a tornado watch. It's in effect until 1 o'clock this afternoon. Now, that's as of the time that this is being recorded. Just shortly before this, you can see that includes the southern tier of counties and also Chester County in West Tennessee. Jackson, Madison County not included. Memphis metropolitan area is. This is a large area and covers much of Mississippi. If you notice these thunderstorms that are around and within this box, this is what we're going to be watching. Let's take a look at the regional radar as of about shortly after 6 a.m. this morning. And these are the thunderstorms that we're watching. These are developing right now across central Mississippi and also these in southeastern Arkansas. These are going to have a tendency to lift north into the region. So we'll be watching that as time goes on. Now, here is what the current risk of severe weather includes. We've got a moderate risk of severe weather for much of Tennessee. There is a high risk of severe weather across Mississippi, Alabama, and portions of Arkansas and Louisiana. Now, if the instability increases a little more than expected across our area, this high-risk region could be expanded to the north up to the I-40 corridor. So we'll have to watch that as this continues to unfold across the region. The tornado risk today specifically in this region where the moderate risk corresponds, there's a 15% likelihood that a tornado will occur within a 25-mile radius of any point within this hatched area. And that could be some significant tornadoes, but the risk is 15%. You can see in the high-risk area that is increased to 30% chance. Well, let's recap. We've got a significant severe weather outbreak expected today. Look for the possibility of widespread damaging winds, large hail, and the potential does exist for long-lived supercells and violent tornadoes. Now's a good time to review tornado safety rules. Make sure you have a NOAA weather radio or standard radio with fresh batteries. That's your severe weather briefing from West Tennessee Weather Online. We'll have additional briefings as we can provide them for you. You can get the latest updates on Facebook. Look for West Tennessee Weather Online. I'm meteorologist Eddie Holmes, bidding you a safe day.